everyone, this is Kritika Singhal. I am an architect and UI UX designer. So here what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to enhance this space called utility. So utility is a very underrated space. I've already mentioned here. Not many people give a very good look for it for an interior. It's always left out. So what I try to do here, I try to do what a very basic but help a lot. It's the space constraint. So we have always a space constraint in the utility. So to solve that, we have so many elements like detergents, we have the dustbins, we have the laundry. I try to compact them out in one space in one rack. So what we'll do, we can shift this anywhere. You don't need a wall, you don't need any kind of support with it. You can just move it all here and there. And even that, I have given some of the iterations like an open laundry bag, closed laundry bag, a dustbin with the wheels and the handles. All the explanation why I have given that, always a decision is made on the data which I will show down below. So how, like, before even going out, to do all this research and everything, I try to come up with the scenarios. But I get these scenarios a little more in detail when I started doing actual user interviews. I did the interviews with five of the people, very interesting, from different backgrounds. One had kid, some are working from home, and it's always a delight to have a talk with them, have a conversation, and understand what their problems are. So that's what I wear. I got this all these problems, a bunch of problems, which I try to, because it has so many problems, I try to put them in a category, so for I don't want to get confused later on. So actually putting in them one category was not enough, so I go ahead and put them in a main category like cleaning management transportation. So now that's not where we stop. Now we go on the ideation, and for the ideation I've used a method called crazy 8, where I come up with 30 to 40 ideas. That's a lot of ideas, guys. In just 10 minutes, it's hardly, you can hardly do it. But it was very interesting, very satisfying even. But that's where I got from a superficial level problems to actual root problems, and like how got the ideas and actually wanted to solve for that. So in the ideation, I actually come up with the top three ideas which I felt solves the root problem. So you already know the idea which I'm going ahead with, because it's very obvious. It's to make a compact utility accessory space. It was not a quiz. So yes, so now curious about the product, but I didn't come up with the final product as it is. So this was my final product, a very different concept. You can always check it out more about it in the medium link. Is in the comment section. Do give it applause if you like it. And that's how it's done. It's like I had this product, I was very confident about it, but yeah, when did a testing, it failed. It completely failed. I got the problems, I understand the solution, and I got many of the insights, but I was able to work on all the feedbacks because some of the solution forward. So I decided to work just with one or two, three insights, and that's how I come up with the final iteration. And that's all. Thank you for listening to me. I hope you have a good day.